Hi guys, thanks for joining me for my first ever YouTube video. Today's video was inspired by CraftyJenn, an artist on YouTube. She did this beautiful ocean goddess acrylic swipe, which I've linked to in the description box. And it got me thinking about what I might be able to do using a similar concept, but that's not exactly the same. So today I'm going to be doing basically a lion head. I have an outline here already and I'll tell you what I did. But I'm going to be basically making the lion's face black over here, and then I'm going to swipe out to create its mane. And I'm going to swipe over some bright colors to do that. So what I have already done is I drew a bit of an outline in pencil. You can see some pencil marks on here. Just a bit of an outline for the face. And around that, I have already just painted on some, this is Vermilion by Artist Loft. Just done the outline there. I wanted it to dry before doing the rest of the picture, which is why I did it beforehand. With that, I'm going to go ahead and get started. So the paint that I'm using today, I'm going to be doing the face, as I said, in black. This is by Artist Loft. It's ivory black. And then I'm also going to be using their yellow, orange, their vermilion, and brilliant red, as well as Deco Art Metallics rose gold. So those are the colors that I'm using. For all of the colors, each one of these has 2 drops of silicone in it, and there's roughly 70 grams of paint in each one of those. The canvas that I'm using is a 16 by 20. And then, as I said, I have 2 drops of silicone in each one of these, but in the black paint that I'm going to be swiping with, I do not have any silicone in that. So I'm going to start off with the black. I'm just going to create that lion's face a little bit, the outline there, and then I'm going to go ahead and put the colors on and do the swipe. So enough talking, I'll go ahead and actually get started. Okay, so I just neatened off the edges a little bit. It was taking a while, so I went off camera, and now I'm going to just put down some more of the black paint to cover the face. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and start putting on the various reds and things. While I mentioned that I put silicone in these paints, I don't think I mentioned the ratio that I mixed the paints in. So all of these paints over here, all the colorful ones that have the silicone in them, are mixed with 1 part paint to 2 parts Floetrol. So the first color I put down was the brilliant red. The last one I put down was the vermilion, and this one is the orange. The next color is brilliant yellow. Okay, and the last one is the rose gold that I'm going to be pouring out. Okay, so I did turn off quickly just and scrape those cups out a little bit more, and just kind of covered the canvas. And so now what I'm gonna do, just pour a little bit more black on, because this is what we're gonna swipe with. And I don't think I mentioned this earlier, but the ratio for the black is 4 parts of paint to 8 parts of Floetrol to 3 parts of water. So like I said, I'm just going to pour a bunch more down, and then we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay, I just want to make sure, hopefully I have enough over here. pouring a little bit, I don't know if you can see that, just pouring a little bit on here instead of on the line, just trying to get some black further up here. Well, let's maybe start down here. Okay guys, so I'm going to bring you in for a front view as well as a close-up. So here we go. Sorry, there's a bit of a glare. As you can see, some pretty cool cells have formed, a whole bunch of them. So it's really pretty cool. It is quite interesting, I would say, how the rose gold really took over, especially considering I didn't even use the full amount of paint that I was planning to for it. So if you do use it, just keep in mind that it does seem to sort of take over. Very few cells over here, interestingly, but you can see they're slowly starting to pop up. So maybe after a few hours we'll have some more down there. But yeah, anyway, overall pretty happy with this one. So many really cool cells, and let me just try and zoom back out. Yeah, so that's the lion for today. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And please don't forget to subscribe as well, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.